ways to spark innovation. We want to advance designs, improve manufacturing and operating processes, deliver exceptional service experiences, or disrupt entire industries. That's the kind of impact you can make right now. And it's all happening at the convergence of the physical and digital worlds. You can turn digital models into physical products with the push of a button. Embed those products and assets with sensors and software and connect them through the Internet of Things. These connected things enable new capabilities and generate an incredible array of new data. You can use that data to develop new solutions that automate systems or predict future repairs. You can use it to design and manufacture better products or create entirely new businesses. You can even superimpose that digital information back onto the physical world through augmented reality. In short, these points of convergence between the physical and digital worlds create new business opportunities. And only PTC has the technology you need to unlock that value. In 1986, we revolutionized 3D computer-aided design. And in 1998, we're first to market with internet-based product lifecycle management. Today, we deliver the market's leading industrial IoT platform, extending our heritage of innovation. With PTC technology, you can drive innovation throughout your own company today. This is the moment. Physical-digital convergence is transforming the world, and it has the power to transform your business. Let PTC show you how.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of PTC, Jim Heppelmann.
Physical and digital. These are separate worlds, each accelerating fast along its own path. But in the last few years, these forces have collided head-on, and the resulting fusion has generated tremendous energy and possibilities. A new frontier of innovation and value creation has been presented to us. Now you can see physical-digital convergence happening all around us. I watch in amazement as the world's largest digital companies, like Google and Microsoft, move to create physical products, while at the same time the world's largest industrial companies like GE or ABB are reinventing themselves as digital companies. Existing businesses are being disrupted, and surprising new markets are being created by the innovative possibilities that are being unleashed. That's why it's become PTC's sole mission to help our customers harness the value that's created by the convergence of the digital and physical worlds. Our new logo, which we adopted a year ago, combines the letter P, representing the physical world, on top of the letter D, representing the digital world. It not only brands our company, but it captures the essence of our mission and our heritage and our vision. Now that's a lot to jam into a logo, but there's much more to this logo than just those letters. Indeed, the logo itself was inspired by the Asian yin-yang symbol that speaks to how opposite but interconnected forces complement each other to create a unified whole. So just as hot and cold, or day and night, or male and female need each other to make the story complete, we now live in an interconnected world that's physical and digital at the same time. So what's PTC's role in bringing these physical and digital worlds together? Well, that's a great story that starts with our heritage in CAD and incorporates everything we've accomplished since, up to and including our most recent innovations in IoT and AR. So let me explain. About 30 years ago, PTC shipped Pro Engineer version 1. This 3D CAD technology unleashed the concept of a digital mock-up, which revolutionized the design and engineering of physical things. By eliminating the need to create physical prototypes to confirm that a stack of 2D drawings actually represented a workable design, we took the friction out of engineering so that engineers could remain longer in the digital world. That meant engineers could collaborate globally to incorporate more perspectives. They could iterate quickly to try new approaches, and they could still complete the entire process faster and with a proven design. So the genius of Pro Engineer has stood the test of time, and it powers on today in the heart of Creo. Now, as the digital mock-up idea scaled to accommodate more complex products, everything became a lot more complicated. So we added PLM in the form of Windchill to help us manage all the changes and configurations and versions. Then we added ALM via Integrity to help us accommodate all the software parts. But the basic notion of a digital mock-up has remained the same. So ultimately, as the iterations on the digital mock-up converge towards that perfect design, we need somehow to take the data off the computer screen and convert it into a physical product. So how do we do that? Well, today this digital mock-up can be transformed directly into physical production parts using second-generation 3D printing techniques. And because we're no longer working backwards from manufacturing constraints, we now can design parts that weren't possible before. So automating the ability to leverage new 3D printing techniques has been one of the key focus areas of our Creo team. The industry is moving fast to expand the possibilities of 3D printing, and maybe soon it'll be possible to print an entire product. But in the meantime, we'll have to rely on factories and more traditional manufacturing processes to complete the story. But traditional factories are undergoing change too, as they move to capitalize on the same physical and digital possibilities that are afforded them. So using IoT concepts, we now have the capability to inject a step function improvement into factory automation and control. Now the Europeans call it Industry 4.0, the Chinese call it Made in China 2025, and we Americans call it smart manufacturing. But the concept is the same, which is to capture